Welcome to an in-depth look at XGBoost, a powerful and highly optimized machine learning algorithm that has revolutionized the field of predictive modeling. For anyone working with data, understanding efficient algorithms is key. XGBoost stands out as a leading gradient boosting framework designed for speed and performance. XGBoost, short for Extreme Gradient Boosting, is an open-source library that provides an efficient and effective implementation of the gradient boosting machine learning algorithm. Its popularity stems from its exceptional performance in various machine learning tasks, particularly in structured data prediction problems. It's often the algorithm of choice for winning solutions in data science competitions. At its core, XGBoost is an ensemble learning method. It builds a strong predictive model by combining the predictions of multiple weaker models, typically decision trees, in a sequential manner. Unlike traditional gradient boosting, XGBoost incorporates several innovative features to enhance performance. It introduces parallel processing capabilities, allowing for faster computation, and includes regularization techniques to prevent overfitting. XGBoost is specifically engineered for speed and accuracy. It aims to strike a balance between powerful predictive capability and efficient resource utilization, making it suitable for large datasets. Let's explore some of the key features that make XGBoost a standout algorithm. XGBoost employs a parallelized tree building process. This means that instead of building trees sequentially, it can construct multiple trees simultaneously, significantly speeding up the training process. A common challenge in real-world datasets is missing values. XGBoost has an ingenious built-in mechanism to handle these by learning the best direction for missing values during tree construction. To prevent overfitting, XGBoost integrates L1, lasso, and L2, ridge regularization, as well as tree pruning. These techniques penalize complex models, leading to simpler, more generalized solutions. Beyond its algorithmic enhancements, XGBoost also focuses on system-level optimizations for peak performance. It is designed to be highly efficient with system resources, utilizing techniques like out-of-core computing for datasets that don't fit into memory, and blockwise structure for parallel processing. XGBoost optimizes cache usage by storing data in a way that minimizes memory access time, leading to faster data retrieval and computation. Given its robust performance, XGBoost has found wide application across various industries and domains. XGBoost is particularly renowned for its success in Kaggle and other data science competitions, often being the top-performing algorithm due to its speed and accuracy. In the real world, it's used for fraud detection, customer churn prediction, recommendation systems, medical diagnostics, and countless other predictive analytics tasks. In summary, XGBoost is more than just another machine learning algorithm. It's a comprehensive framework built for performance and reliability. Its benefits include superior speed, remarkable accuracy, excellent handling of missing data, and strong regularization to prevent overfitting. Whether you're a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or simply curious about powerful algorithms, exploring XGBoost is a worthwhile endeavor. Dive into its documentation and start leveraging its capabilities today. Subscribe Dezlearn for more Autobites.